Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am making a card for Teachers Day. For this I have taken a white A4 paper which I have folded into half. First I am making a border. For this I have taken a ruler and a black ball pen. I am making dotted lines as shown. In the same way we have to mark dotted lines on all the four sides. This is a very simple and easy to make greeting card. You don't need any drawing skills to make this. Once the border is ready, draw lines as shown. I am making books here. Just follow the steps and you will be able to make a very neat and clean card to present it to your teacher on this Teacher's Day. Now draw small curves as shown. Now I am adding small details here so that it looks more cute and beautiful. Here I am writing, teacher plants seeds of knowledge that continues to grow forever. And finally we can write Happy Teachers Day on top. I am going to use some plastic crayons to color the books. You can also use any other art material that you have at home. The benefit of using plastic crayon is that you can erase off the mistakes that you make while coloring it. Finally, I am going to use yellow crayon to highlight Happy Teachers Day on top. It looks a bit dull, so I am highlighting it a little more using black pen. And finally, a Happy Teachers Day card is ready. You can write whatever message you want inside for your teacher. I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.